Hello everyone, welcome back. In previous video, we learnt about multiplication. Now we'll do multiplication of decimal numbers. Suppose if I give 3 into 4, you can easily answer as 12. What if I give 3.02 into 4.02? It might feel difficult, right? But it is not that the case. We have to do normal multiplication first. 302 into 402. What are the steps? First, do normal multiplication, then count the digits after decimal point, and put the decimal point in answer. Let me explain these steps. What I told, just do the normal multiplication. Just I am doing normal multiplication here. 302 into 402. Let me do a normal multiplication. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 3, 6. Plus 0 into 2, 0. 0, 0, 0. 0 into 3, 0. We are done with 2 digits, right? So I am putting 2 plus sign. If we are done with 3, we might have put 3 plus signs. Now 4 2s are 8, 4 0s are 0, 4 3s are 12. What is the answer? 4, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 8, 14, 1 carry 1, 2, 1. What is the answer with normal multiplication? 121404, right? Remember this answer. Let us come here. Count the digits after decimal point. Here in question what they gave, 3.02 into 4.02, right? Count the digits after decimal point. How many digits? 2. After decimal points, right side how many are there? 0, 2 means 2. Here also 2 digits after decimal point. Total how many? 4 decimal digits after decimal point. So here also count 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, and put the decimal point. So answer is 12.1404. Do normal multiplication, count the digits after decimal point, means right side. Total how many are there? 4 are there. Just from right to left count those digits, 4 digits, and put a decimal point. Let me take another example for better understanding. 4.303 into 10.1. What we'll do first? First step, normal multiplication. 4303 into 101. Normal multiplication of the digits. How much it comes? 1 3 is 3, 0, 1 3 is 3, 1 4 is 4. 0 with multiplication will get 0 0 only. Will 1 again will get 1 3 is 3, 1 0 is 0, 1 3 is 3, 1 4 is 4. What will get? 3, 0 plus 0 0, 3 plus 3 6, 4 plus 0 plus 0 4, 0 plus 3 3, 4. How much we are getting? 4 3 4 0 6 0 3. Now second step. What is that? Number of digits after decimal. 1 2 3 1. Total how many? 4. Third step, from right side of the answer count those digits, 1 2 3 4, put the decimal point. This will be the answer. This is the multiplication of decimal numbers. Now I will tell some more important multiplications. Suppose assume 40 into 30. How much it become? No need to calculate like this, right? Directly we can write. Just eliminate the zeros. How many zeros? 2 zeros, right? 0 0. 4 3 is 12. This will be the answer. So another example, 30 into 80. 3 8s are 24. 2 zeros, eliminate and add it here. This will be 2400. Let me take some more. 3000 into 100. 3 ones are 3. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me take another. 30005 into 10000. Here how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. But don't count these digits because the zeros should be at the end. Here no zeros, so only will count these zeros. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. 30005 into 1, 3005. This will be the answer. Don't be confused. You have to consider only last zeros, not in between zeros. Here are some examples, practice questions. We will solve. 2.5 into 3, normal multiplication. 25 into 3. How much? 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6, 7. 75. Now count digits, only one, right? From right side, put decimal after one digit. Answer will be 7.5. 12 4s are how much? 48. How many digits are there after decimal? 1. So put here. 8 5s are 40, right? After decimal how much? Only one digit is there, so put after one digit from right. 12 into 15, do the calculation. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, plus 1 carry 60, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. It will be 180. But after decimal how many digits are there? 1 2. So from right side 1 2. The answer will be 1.80. 2.3 into 3.2, 24 into 32. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6, 1 7, 8 4 2 6 7. But after decimal 1 2 digits. From right side 1 2 will put here. So 7.68 will be the answer. 5 2s are 10. But after how many digits is the point? 2, right? Here one digit, here one digit. So 1 2. Here digit will come. Here nothing is there. We can add a 0. So answer will be 0.10. 1 to 5 into 4. 1 to 5 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8. 8 to 10. 4 1s are 4, 5. 500 is the answer. But how many digits are there? 1 2 3 after decimal. 1 2 3. Nothing is there. 0. Answer will be 0.5. So please solve these questions and answer in the comment section. Let me give some more. This is 5000. Solve these two also. We'll continue with next video. Thank you.